subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get the latest tech updates from TechSole Blog.
Motorola is all set to launch its new smartphone under G series called Moto G100, and before the launch, the official renders of the phone has surfaced online by Technic News along with some key specifications. According to Technic News, the Moto G100 will support a large 6.7-inch Full HD Plus display with 90Hz refresh rate, and it has a dual hole punch at the top left corner that will house 16 plus 8 megapixel selfie cameras. The rear panel of the phone appears to have a triple camera setup in a squarish module at the top left corner along with the LED flash and some sensors. The AAA cameras will include one 64 megapixel main camera along with a 16 megapixel ultra wide angle lens plus 2 megapixel depth sensor. Under the hood, the phone will come powered by Qualcomm Snapdragon 870 chipset, paired with 6, 8 or 12 GB of RAM and 128 or 256 GB of internal storage. The device is expected to pack with 5000 mAh battery that will support 20-watt fast charging. Additionally, the smartphone also spotted to feature a side-mounted fingerprint sensor for biometric authentication. Now talking about the release date, the Moto G100 is reported to launch on March 25th, and it will be available in blue and white color options. So as of now, that's all we know about the Moto G100 smartphone, and we'll come to know more detail about the phone in the coming days. Till then, stay tuned to TechSole Blog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.